Yes, good morning. So today we're going to learn how to create a new table. Inside the Object Explorer, we select our database, which is the training DB, and we select the tables object. We right click and we hit new table. We have now the screen and for designing this table, we're going to start with the ID of this table and the data type rather for this is going to be I'm going to select just integer, which is somewhere here. So yeah, this is it, and I uncheck allow null values, and here I right click on this line and I set this as the primary key. I'm going to explain why furthermore. And here, so just I'm waiting for the screen to refresh, and for this ID I'm going to select, there is a little selection here, and yeah, here. So I'm going to specify that this is an identity. I'm going to explain why. This is an identity increment is by 1, identity seed is 1. And this is the first column. The second column will be the first name. So first name, and the data type, I'm going to choose this one, and varchar 50. I allow nulls for this column. I'm gonna write down the other column, which is last name. I'm gonna select also in varchar 50, allow nulls value, and also address 1 and varchar 50, address 2, same thing, and after that the other column is city. City will be in varchar 50. After the city, postal code is going to be in varchar, I'm going to choose 6 for the postal code of Canadian cities, and province should be in char. I'm going to leave just 2 characters. Salary, I'm going to explain why I'm introducing salary column, which will be a big int, and here I'm going to specify the default value for the salary here. So I'm going to select what's the default value. I think it's up. So default value and binding, okay, it's going to be 0. And I'm going to explain all this in next lesson. I set salary. After the salary, I'm going to create the age column, which will be an integer, and also the default value for the age, it's gonna be the default value. I'm gonna give like 18 years as the default value, and because under 18 years we can't we can set, or we can agree that people aged more than 18 years can work. this is like a rule or small rule or something. So now is the department, which is an integer, and the default value I'm gonna give 1. So the default value is the department number 1, which is like we can agree that this is the human resources or something like this. So we're almost done here, and after that, so we review the columns for this table. This table is identified by this column: the ID, first name, last name, address 1, address 2, city, postal code, province, salary, age, and department. Now I'm going to save this table and I'm going to call it the employee table. And here I hit the OK button, and the engine, SQL Server engine, will create this table. If we expand this, and after that I refresh. Okay, there we go. We have the employee table, and it contains columns, keys, constraints, triggers, indexes, and statistics. For now, we are interested just in this folder, which is columns. If I click on it and I expand it, I'll see all the columns I just created, which are the ID, which is the primary key. We're going to explain this in next lessons. First name, this is the data type, and varchar 50. 50 is the length. So the first name can contain just not just, but at maximum 50 characters. Last name 50 characters also. We have the address. We have address 1 rather, address 2, city, postal code, province, salary, age, and department. And that's about it about today's lesson. Thank you.